I'm going to take a video of this one. I'm right here at the site, and I took this one right out of the wall, right over there, just a little while ago. But like the bird sitting, how it'll get up, you see all that? And then it'll go get the stuff to eat. You see all that stuff in its mouth? How it'll get stuff to eat and just, you know, go on its way. Eat it, eat it.